Have you ever wanted to hold a whole little world in your hands, or thought about how something as simple as a glass cup, a few green plants, and tiny stones could turn into a place that feels alive? Meet an amazing female artist who does just that. She takes ordinary things from nature and transforms them into something magical. With patience, gentle hands, she fills the glass cup with soil, sprinkles in tiny stones, shapes, small steps, and adds soft green plants that look like little hills. Bit by bit, the empty cup turns into a peaceful mountain path leading to a tiny hidden doorway, almost like secret world waiting to be explored. Her creations remind us that even the simplest things around us can become something extraordinary when we use our own imagination. If you could build your own little world in a glass cup, what would you create first? A jungle of tiny trees, a quiet beach, or a mountain trail? Please, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share for more interesting videos.